The cost of poor quality is the hidden cost of things not being done right the first time. Most people think quality problems only cost money when a product is returned or a customer complains. But in reality, poor quality creates costs throughout a process. These costs can include rework, delays, extra inspections, scrap, customer complaints, refunds, and lost business. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a company processes 1,000 customer orders each month. On average, 50 orders contain mistakes. Maybe the wrong item is shipped, the quantity is incorrect, or the delivery address is entered incorrectly. Each mistake takes around 30 minutes to investigate and fix. At first glance, it doesn't seem like a major issue. But 50 errors multiplied by 30 minutes equals 25 hours of rework every month. If the business values that time at £20 per hour, that's already £500 per month, or £6,000 per year. And that's only the visible cost. What about delayed deliveries? What about customer complaints? What about the sales team dealing with unhappy customers? What about customers who decide not to order again? These hidden costs are often much larger than the direct cost of fixing the error. The company decides to improve its order entry process by adding simple validation checks and standardizing how information is entered. A few weeks later, order errors fall from 50 per month to just 10. The team now spends far less time fixing mistakes and far more time serving customers. The result is lower costs, happier customers, and a more efficient process. The key lesson is simple. Poor quality is expensive, even when you can't immediately see the cost. Every defect consumes time, money, and effort. By preventing errors rather than correcting them later, organizations can reduce waste, improve customer satisfaction, and free up resources for more valuable work. Free course, templates, calculators, and more resources at simplicityhub.co.uk.